Get unready with me. Today we are doing a full face of Korean skincare. All these products have ginger extract that has anti-acne and anti-aging properties. Starting with this foaming cleanser, I just took a little bit and massaging my face with it. It has salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid, so it gently cleans the skin without that stripped off feeling. Second step is this White Blossom Essence Toner. It has a very watery texture made with niacinamide for brightening the skin and Edensone for anti-wrinkle, while hyaluronic acid hydrates the skin really well and improves elasticity. Third is this snow serum. This is how the texture is, not too heavy. My skin instantly starts looking brighter. It also helps with skin elasticity while having anti-wrinkle ingredients too. Fourth is this active water cream. True to its name, it is very water-like. It has niacinamide that brightens the skin and hyaluronic acid that provides intensive hydration while calming the skin. There is a night cream as well for the PM routine. This is their energizing Pepsi cream. This one has a little heavier texture than the AM moisturizer. It helps with wrinkles, elasticity, moisturizing, and pigmentation. That's the full face of Ginger 6 skincare. I'm ending the routine with their hand cream. It smells so good. It has natural oils and shea butter. Well, that's the end of the video. Now I'm all moisturized and ready to sleep in. Bye bye.